The Nothing Phone 2 has been making waves for some time now and for all the right reason. The original took the market by storm thanks to the glimpse light on the back, but the phone itself was actually really good and a step away from everything that Android manufacturer had to offer. Naturally, this year's sequel has hyped and now Kalpai has finally revealed when the phone is coming out along with some other detail. In an interview with the Forbes, Carl Pye revealed that Nothing Phone 2 will be coming out in July 2023 and the phone is going to be available all around the world, including the US, a market that company skipped last year at launch. Aside from revealing when the Nothing Phone 2 is coming out, Pi has also revealed that the phone will have a larger 4700 mAh battery, which is 200 mAh more than the last year model. We already know that the phone is going to be shipping with the Snapdragon 8 Plus Gen 1 processor, which is going to be pretty amazing, and it has also been confirmed by Pi itself previously. Now, inclusion of the Snapdragon 8 Plus Gen 1 is going to be pretty game changing for the Nothing Phone 2 because it's going to be coming with a powerful processor that was going to be in a lower cost and budget. Secondly, it's going to be coming with some upgrades in the camera department. A new ISP is going to be expected coming this year in the Nothing Phone 2. Along with that, it's also going to be one of the best phone for gaming as well, and also it's power efficient, so battery timing is going to be even better this time around. Honestly, I'm really looking forward at Nothing Phone 2. The original is still one of the best phones that I have had the chance to look at, and the new one will be better in almost every way. I believe these phones have the potential to disrupt a market saturated with design that looks almost the same, and at that point, it has become a number game. The one thing that I am really excited to learn is the price of the new phone. I'm hoping it's priced under $600 as it will become as one of the best phones to get considering how the Pixel 7a and the Galaxy A54 cost $499. Anyhow guys, do you think that Nothing Phone 2 has what it takes to take on Apple and the rest of the companies? Let us know your thoughts in the comment section below. Thanks for watching. Be sure to subscribe. Peace.